Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on this video we are going to discuss about the SOP of high pressure machine. Okay, how you can use the high pressure machine, what are the rules and regulations are need to followed. And I will show you the demo video as well. So first of all, there are some discussion points that we will discuss on this session for today. Importance and the purpose of high pressure machine, what are the safety measures that are required for the job, okay, required materials, tools and chemical for the job, and what are the procedures to follow, and I will show you demo video as well, and how you can do care of your machineries after after you use your machineries items. So these all points we are going to discuss on this video. First thing is importance and purpose of pressure washing machine. Okay, why it is so important? Okay, to remove dirt and stain from the floor. So on that areas we can use our high pressure machines. Okay, especially in the parking areas, you can see the oil stains, the grease stains. To remove those items, we can use our high pressure machines. Okay, to leave floor surface clean, tidy and hygienic, and also to maintain the standard level of the area of the surrounding that we are working. Okay, and what are the materials are required? Okay, the required materials are signboards, extension cable, extension wire, high pressure machine for sure, and PP for your safety, and microfiber cloths. Okay, so these are the materials which we required to do to use high pressure machines. So there are some procedures, some steps that we need to follow while doing this job. Okay, proceed to your storeroom, switch on the light, check the ventilation, floor paste inspection and maintenance quality, and report to your supervisor if required. That means if there are any damages, then you need to report to your supervisor on immediately. Then you can wash your hand properly with soap, make it dry, and check if any cut or wound you have on your hands. Then you can report to your supervisor and he will guide or he will give you some necessary first aid treatment. Then you can wear your PPEs like gloves, mask, eye goggles, safety shoes, etc. Okay, then you have to collect all your materials, machines, and you need to proceed to your workplace. Once you reach to your work area, then you need to place your signboard at the entrance of the area, and you need to check the surrounding. Okay, where you are working, you need to check the areas, and if there are any damages, if there are any faulties, you need to report to your supervisor. Inspect your machine's body, cable, plug, PAT means portable appliance test, etc. If any defect are found, do not use your machines. Immediately report to your supervisor, then he will guide for the next steps. Use your litter picker or low meter spin, okay, to collect all the visible big litters from the area that you are going to work, and place it in a general bin liner. Okay, start using your high pressure machine from corner to middle way, going towards drainage area, because when we are using high pressure machines, the water will be all over the floor. To remove that water, you can easily use your machines towards drainage area, so the water will flow towards drainage area. Okay, and continue until all your area has been covered. Okay, first switch off your plugs and remove extension cable. Check your machines and make sure it is with no damage and clean properly. Double check your area once the job is completed and inform to your supervisor that the job has been done. Okay, after your area is clean and dry, remove your signages and proceed to your storeroom. So here are the demo video you can see here. Once you reach to your storeroom, you need to discard all the waste that you have collected from your workplace in appropriate bins. As you can see on the picture over here, there are different kinds of garbage bins. Accordingly, you need to discard your waste, whatever you have collected from your work area. Check and inspect all materials after use and make sure they are cleaned properly. Ensure that equipment and tools are properly arranged in storeroom for the next use. Okay, additional information: health and safety rules to be followed all the time.